start with your blobs, or kind of like the lava pieces that are inside that are floating. So I'm just gonna make like 4 or 5. And you want to make them look like they have form, okay? So remember, you've already chosen your colored piece of paper, so you have the choice between yellow, green, blue, or pink. And that's the same color that your blobs or your lava is going to be, that's floating on the inside. And I chose the color green, so this is going to be my background, but we're going to draw these on separately and then glue them onto our lava lamp. So around the edge, you always want to start with a darker color. So I am going to use this dark green, and then I'll go in with this lime green. But notice that these are neon oil pastels. So I'm going to go around the edge. And then I'm going to do my second layer with the light green. Then I'm going to leave the center because yellow is closest to green, or sorry, lightest to green on the color wheel. So for green, you can actually add a little bit of yellow in the middle. And if you see, I'm kind of blending with the oil pastel, and I'm making a lot of small circles. I'm going to do that for all of my little lava pieces. Paper about this size right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to need a ruler, and I would just make, because the lava lamp shape is sort of like a triangle, but it obviously has a flat top. So I'm going to put a dot here and a dot here. There's no certain like measurement that you need, but so I have 2 dots that are closer together up here, and then I'm going to go a little bit wider. So if I raise this up a little bit, I want my bottom 2 dots to be wider than these 2. So because I want it to kind of angle out a little bit, so I'm going to go here and here. So about the same distance from the dot to the edge of the paper. And the ruler is for a straight line. Okay. And you'll need some scissors because you're going to cut this off and this off. We don't need these 2. We just need this center piece right here that's kind of shaped like a triangle. Okay, so I have my lava lamp shape, and then now I'm going to go ahead and cut out my lava that's going to go on the inside. Okay, and then once you've cut them all out, you can just move them around and place them. If you feel like yours is too empty, you can definitely add more. You can grab another white piece of paper and fill up that paper with more lava pieces. I'm just gonna spread mine out evenly and then glue them on. And now you want to use the gray piece of paper for the bottom and the top. So please watch how I do this so that you don't have to use, you don't run out of gray paper, okay? So the bottom, you need to measure first, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and measure, I'm gonna line up my gray paper with the edge of my lava lamp, and I'm just gonna hold it against it. And the bottom of a lava lamp kind of goes down like this. So you see how I'm like kind of connecting it a little bit. I'm gonna redo that line. And then it can either have a line straight across, or you can have a little thing that kind of it sits on, totally up to you. And then you'll cut this shape out first. And then I'm gonna get some glue and glue it to the bottom of my lava lamp. Notice how I flipped it over because I didn't want those lines there, so I just flipped it over to the back where you can't see those lines, and I'm gonna glue it. And I'm actually gonna trim off those little corners with some scissors here in a second. So there's the bottom of my lamp, and then now I still need the top. So now I'm gonna measure the top with the rest of my gray paper that I have. I'm gonna, again, line it up on the edge. And it can either be kind of like a half circle shape, where you could go like that, or it can be like the shape of a rhombus almost, like that. Totally up to you. I think I want to do the half circle shape, and since I have room, I'm not going to redraw it. I'm just going to scooch it over. And then I'll cut out the shape and then do the same thing. Okay, and because the tops and the bottom of the lava lamp is gray, it's supposed to show that it's silver, and silver is shiny. So you're gonna get a white oil pastel and just add some shine marks. I know this is a pretty dirty white oil pastel, but I'm just gonna add some marks to show that it's shiny, like on that side, and then same at the bottom. Like that. And then obviously make sure your name is on the back. And you are all done.